In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Telegram private group video. First, you can see I have already opened Telegram. Now go to this extension option, then click manage extension. Then here are click Chrome Web Store. Now here are type Tele STREM saver. You can see this extension, just add to Chrome. Again click add extension. Now go this extension option, then find out it. Here are just pinned. Now go back Telegram web, then refresh your browser. Now you can choose your targeted group, for example this. Now just open this video, then click this download button. I again repeat, click this download button. That video will be saved your computer. It's easy method. Thanks for watching. See you again.